To stream like a pro with OBS Studio, you need more than just good video quality. A professional stream should have clean audio, an organized layout, smooth scene transitions, and stable performance. Start by organizing your OBS scenes. Create separate scenes for your starting screen, main content, webcam, breaks, and ending screen. This makes it easier to control your stream without interrupting the broadcast. Next, make sure your microphone sounds clear. Add filters such as noise suppression, compressor, and limiter to reduce background noise and keep your voice at a consistent volume. Now organize your sources. Add your game or display capture, webcam, alerts, chat overlay, logos, and other graphics. Keep the design simple so viewers can focus on your main content. For your webcam, use a clean frame and position it where it doesn't cover important parts of the screen. Add professional scene transitions so switching between scenes looks smooth. You can use simple transitions or create custom ones that match your channel branding. Next, configure your streaming settings. Choose a resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and encoder that your computer and internet connection can handle reliably. Stable performance is more important than using the highest possible settings. Before going live, test everything. Check your microphone, desktop audio, webcam, alerts, chat overlay, and scene transitions. During the stream, monitor the OBS stats window. If you notice dropped frames, rendering lag, or encoding overload, adjust your settings before the problem becomes serious. Finally, save your OBS profile and scene collection